Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Boonsboro, local and long-distance movers near me. If you want to make your move hassle-free, then hiring 3 men and a truck would be the perfect choice for you. In addition, we have transparent prices and offer moving services at affordable rates. Our team will also make sure that you have peace of mind by offering the following services: packing and loading on time, packaging material, storage, and insurance. Even if you're just moving around the corner or just a few blocks away, you still need a moving company to make your move hassle-free. Moving companies ensure that you don't have to stress about anything. 3 Men and a Truck is a reliable moving company that would complete your local move in just a few hours. We can handle all the moving processes with care. You can rely on us for a smooth and efficient move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Boonsboro moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.